This video will introduce scratching RFM analysis on a 2.4 GB dataset by Quicktable, without SQL and Python expertise. Part 1. Upload the dataset. I use e-commerce events history in cosmetics shop dataset from Kaggle in this video, which contains 5 big CSV files of 2.4 GB. I open Quicktable.io in Chrome and sign in. Then I create a new project RFM demo and upload the 5 CSV files in zip format one by one. Part 2. Extract order data. Because the dataset is a user behavior events data including view, add to cart, remove from cart, and purchase on products, I need to extract the order information including user ID, purchase time, and purchase amount at first. Since the purchase time of the products in a single cart is the same, I take the combination of user ID and purchase time as the unique order ID. There are 6 extraction steps I created in the Quicktable action list. First, load the dataset. Second, filter the purchase behaviors. Third, delete the unused columns. Fourth, remove UTC suffix of the event time and put it into a new column named purchase_time. Fifth, group rows by user_ID and purchase_time, and sum the prices of products in a group into a new column automatically named price_sum. Sixth, rename the price_sum as the amount. After creating the order data extraction actions, I save the action list and the transformed data. To extract order data in the other 4 CSV files, I change the data source of first action and save the transformed data. Part 3. Score each user. Now, I try to score each user by 3 dimensions: recency, frequency, and monetary, on the union of the 5 extracted order datasets. There are 12 actions in this part. First, open the Orders 2019 October dataset. Second, union the other 4 order datasets. Third, keep the rows the amount fields are greater than 0. 4 and 5 actions, calculate the elapsed days of orders from purchase time to March 1, 2020. Note that we should convert the date string to date type before the calculation. 6 to 9 actions, get users' recency, frequency, and monetary values in a group by transformation, in which I calculate the min recency of orders, order number, and the total purchased money in the 5 months. Then I renamed the 3 newly generated columns. 10 to 12 actions, score each user on recency, frequency, and monetary dimensions. It is easy for anyone by a friendly and intuitive dialogue form. Part 4. Analysis. The final part analyzes the RFM segmentation model I built in the previous parts. At first, I combined 3 columns of RFM scores into a single RFM score column by simply contacting transformation. Then, I grouped by the RFM column to calculate each user group's user number and averages of recency, frequency, and monetary values. After that, I create a pie chart and a column that illustrates the user number and the average paid money in each RFM user group, respectively. Before saving the action list and the transformed result, I automatically translate all the transformations in this action list to SQL script compatible with Snowflake and Spark SQL. Thanks for your watching. You can sign up Quicktable for free and find more information about it on Quicktable.io.